Spice says her album is approved and almost ready for release, and Shenseea declared May 20 Shenyang Day.
So on Yang Day, I will be supporting your businesses as well. I'll be donating to GoFundMe accounts for people who really need it. Hopefully, some kids as well, sadly, unfortunately, those who are in some really effed up situations.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now today's video is brought to you by our sponsor Laura's Shipping, located at 701 South Kirkman Road, Suite 731, Orlando, Florida. This is for all your shipping needs. If you're shipping a barrel from the US to Jamaica or to any other Caribbean islands, you need to check out Laura's Shipping, right? I'll give you some more information on that later on. But people, let's talk about Shenseea. So Shenseea has declared May 20 National Shenyang Day. I don't know if I'm national, but me I put in a national, right? So it's Shenyang Day. Let's just say Shenyang Day. So she did that because Shenyang Anthem was released on May 20 last year. So she just used the day to do something special for her fans. And like me showing a little piece of the clip in the first, where she had do some of the things where she said she's going to do on that day. I have some more for showing. So right now it looks like she's in LA, or she's going to be in LA on the 20th. So the people in LA get see her physically and go out with her. She said she had to take out 5 people to dinner and she had do some other stuff. So I'm going to make she talk and tell her the other stuff what she had do. All right, so take a listen. Here goes.
I love give back already, so why not do a birthday for you guys? So on Yang Day, I will be supporting your businesses as well. I'll be donating to GoFundMe accounts for people who really need it. Hopefully, some kids as well, sadly, unfortunately, those who are in some really effed up situations. I want to help to pay at least 5 school fees, not tuition, 5 school fees, that's high school, exams and everything coming up as well. And I know persons who, it's been hard in the pandemic, parents can't really afford to, keep up with school fee or whatever. 5 male Shenyangs, I want to help you guys to stock your house with groceries or whatever you need. Mainly groceries still, because that's a necessity for food. I need a Bugatti, but look by you, me too. I want Bugatti too, so I don't know if I do stream my music more, so I can get the Bugatti and give back one too. I just say go, help for help, support for support. So I'm taking 5 Shenyangs to dinner in LA. I'm donating to 5 GoFundMes, 5 school fees wherever you are in the world, wherever you are in the Caribbean as well, right? I don't know what my nose. Anyways, yeah, 5 meals with necessity groceries. Has business that you want to promote or whatever, I will be promoting my Shenyangs business for the whole entire day on that day. So get whatever you're ready for me for post on that day so I can put it out there. You can come and check my page if there's a specific product that you are interested in. I'll probably have it up on that day so everybody can come to my page and see what go on. Any skincare, whatever the case you guys been doing, starting your own businesses.
Yes, so now you are going people. I'm going to big up Shenseea for doing this. Our fans them really support her. So it's only right that she does return the favor. You see what I say? And it's also a good look to that she do something for her male fans them as well, because she do have some. Majority of her fans them are female, but she do have some male fans as well. So maybe a single father or maybe a business owner, somebody just try to get them business off the ground, or even if you start and it go on, you can get the opportunity that day, right? And it's on May 20. Today is Tuesday, so it's on Thursday, right? Thursday is going to be the 20, right? So people, let's talk about Spice. Now, no says Spice song a tear up the place, and you know she a trend #1 and all that, right? And it's official, the name of the album is 10, and she said it's about 75% completed, and she just wait for the day for release. She wait for the date from our record label for tell her when it's gonna be released, right? But that's how it look like from what she has said. So take a listen to what she has said in that video. Here goes.
Guys, my album, let's talk about it. The name of my album is called 10. It's going to be out this summer. I'm waiting on the date to tell you. But any day I get the date a problem because I want to know, say, the name of the album 10 is approved. It's been 10 years I wait for the album. And I'm happy for my fans. Them deserve to get the album from me. I work hard for it. Them deserve to get the album. You can't believe I've never released an album? But we talk about this. You can't believe that me, Grace Hamilton, has never released an album. You know, said that means have been doing well. To be in the business for 2 decades, you have never released an album. You have so many hit songs. You're on top of your game. You stay consistent. I've done well. Talk, no? Talk, Chevy. I've done well.
Very well.
I've done well. I'm proud of myself.
Right on top.
No manager.
You work.
Let's talk about it.
You work very hard.
No manager, nobody. Me do everything for myself. Me one and God and Jesus. And then you want to tell me, say, me and God to take a look at time and panga. I don't just want to come tear me down. You crazy? After God and I idiot. When you feel like God has some, you don't call dibby God, must be crazy. The album is ready. Almost ready. 95% done. What am I going to forget rid of the chin under your side? The whole for food, you know. You saw the fat come under my chin. You see it, look.
Yeah.
I forget rid of it. Well, I forget rid of it.
The money chin, no worry.
People them say me for do lipe up on my chin under your side.
Yeah.
You feel it? You see it?
Look up.
People them say me for do my chin. No man, I can't do so much talk. I gotta do belly, I gotta do chin. No sir. But tell myself I'm not do no more liposuction because I'm afraid people that make mistake and suck up. I talk about the rag to go to me, ma. No sir.
Yeah, so people, I want to tell me if you don't agree with Spice. You know what I mean? She said even though she been in the game 2 decades and she still haven't released an album, she still thinks she did fairly good, right? So when you get in the comment section, tell me if you don't agree with her. Me personally do agree with her. You know what I mean? She have a lot of accolades and accomplishments over the past just 5 years alone, not to mention way before that. You see what I say? So don't tell me in the comment section what you think about that. Also, I want to tell me what you think about Shenseea Shenyang Day. If you're not going to try get involved, it's going to be on her Instagram. Imagine that she going to go live and show what she are going with. I don't know her process, how she are going to do and select the people them, but you never know, might be your lucky day. So pass by and see what going on. Today's video is made possible by our sponsor, Laura Shipping, located in Orlando, Florida. So if you're in any of the surrounding areas, we are talking about Tampa, Claremont, and Melbourne, or any other areas around Orlando, Florida, and you want to ship something to the Caribbean, check out Laura Shipping. Services include but are not limited to air cargo service, ocean cargo service, land cargo service, 20 or 40-foot containers, crating service, packing on site, barrel sales, logistics service, warehousing service, FCL and LCL consolidation, phone top-up, notary public on site, plus other services. And they ship to Antigua, Barbados, Guyana, St. Lucia, Trinidad and Tobago, Suriname, Puerto Rico, Virgin Island and British Virgin Island, Grenada, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Dominica, Jamaica. One-stop service plus many, many more. Call them today at 407-885-7644 or walk in at 701 South Kirkman Road, Suite 731, Orlando, Florida 32811. So thank you for watching watching this video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody stay safe. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.